So you're posting on LinkedIn, trying to be consistent, doing everything the gurus told you to do, but nothing is happening. No real growth, no inbound leads, no serious opportunity. Let me ask you a quick question. What if the problem is not that you are not posting enough, but that LinkedIn doesn't understand you? And I'm going to explain in a bit. Because here is the truth most people won't tell you. You can post every single day on LinkedIn and still remain invisible. I've been on LinkedIn now for 4 years. I've built a following of over 17,000 people, and LinkedIn fuels my ghostwriting agency. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you are not growing on LinkedIn, even though you are posting, and the one shift that can change everything for you. And trust me, the third point is where most people get it completely wrong on LinkedIn. I've been around on LinkedIn for a few years and I've seen this over and over again. Most people think growth on LinkedIn is about consistency. Post more, show up daily, stay visible. And yes, consistency matters. But consistency without clarity, my friend, it is noise. Let me explain. Every time someone sees your post, your comment, or they come across your profile, they're asking three simple questions. If you can answer those, you will win. And these are the three questions. One, what does this person do? Who do they help? And why should I care? What's special about them for me to care? Now, be honest with yourself. If somebody reads your last 5 posts or checks your profile on LinkedIn right now, can they answer those three questions clearly? Or do they have to guess and wonder and ask themselves, what exactly does this person do? Because if they have to guess, you have already lost them. And this is where most LinkedIn users I see are stuck. They are creating content, which is good, but they are not building a clear signal. In a moment, I will show you the exact 3 shifts that fixes this particular problem completely. But first, let me show you the mistakes that are quietly killing your growth on LinkedIn. Mistake number 1, talking about too many things. Today, you're talking about leadership. Tomorrow, it's personal growth. Next tomorrow is something random that you have been obsessed with over the weekend, over the week. And individually, while these posts are good by themselves, but bringing them together, they create nothing but confusion to your audience. Let me ask you, if I binge your content in the next 10 minutes, will I know exactly what you are known for or what you want to be known for? If the answer is no, that is your bottleneck. Because on LinkedIn, clarity beats variety every time, every day. Mistake number 2, posting for expression and impression instead of positioning. A lot of people treat LinkedIn like it's their diary. They post what they feel like, some random thoughts, just whatever comes to their mind, they just go ahead and just share it. News flash. LinkedIn is not a journaling app, neither is it your personal diary. It's a business development platform. And until you start treating it like that, it won't work for you. People are not just here to read. As a matter of fact, they are here to learn, to solve their problems, and to find people they can trust to help them or to build their network. So if your content is not positioning you, it is just passing through people's feed. It is just filling space. Mistake number 3, you're chasing engagement instead of authority. Now, this one is subtle, very subtle, and this is where most people actually get it wrong. So when people join a platform newly, they are focused on the things that really do not matter the most: likes, comments, reposts. But here is what you need to understand, especially on LinkedIn. The clients that will change your life, they are not always engaging with your content. The founders, the executives, they don't have the time to engage with your content. They are watching you silently, evaluating, and they're asking themselves, does this person know what they're talking about? Are they good at what they say they know how to do? So you might have a post with 10 likes, I kid you not. But if the right people saw it, that is all that matters on LinkedIn. So if you're facing any of these 3 problems, now I want to show you what actually works. Because clearly, posting more is not the answer, all right? If you want to grow on LinkedIn, you need to focus on these 3 things. Number 1, clear positioning. Ask yourself, what do you want to be known for? Not 5 things, Just one. Because when your positioning is clear, everything else becomes super easy. Your content, your messaging, your audience, everything follows clarity. Number two, specific audience. Who are you trying to speak to? Are they founders, executives, freelancers, job seekers? Because when you try to speak to everyone, you end up connecting with no one. And here is a simple test I like you to conduct on every of your posts. When you write a post, can a specific person read your post and say, "This is for me"? If not, you're still too broad. Number three, consistent signal. Every post should reinforce one message, not repeat it. I'm not saying every post should repeat the same message, but it should reinforce, because that's how people begin to remember you for something. That's how you move from, "Oh, I've seen this person before," to, "I know exactly what this person stands for." So let me leave you with this in this video. Growth on LinkedIn is not about how often you post. Do not forget that. It's about how clearly people understand the things that you post. So before your next post, pause, breathe, and ask yourself just one question. Will this make me clearer or make me more confusing? Because that one question can change your results completely on LinkedIn. And if you're serious about building a personal brand on LinkedIn, not just posting, but actually growing, hit the subscribe button, because on this channel, I show you how to build impact, influence, and income through content and personal branding. And in the next video, I will show you something even more interesting: why some of the smartest people that I know still struggle to grow on LinkedIn. You don't want to miss that. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. But in the meantime, if you want to know what's working on LinkedIn in 2026, if you want to stop the guesswork, click this video right here. I show you a couple of things that are working on LinkedIn in 2026. Thank you for sticking with me in this video. If you got value from this video, like this video, share this video with somebody who wants to grow on LinkedIn and wants to hear the things that I said in this video. I'll see you in my next video.